Hi. So we have covered actually this arrays and string, two pointers, sliding window, prefix sum. Now we are here. Find the difference of two array. We are on the hash map or set. So we'll read through this question. If it is required to explain it on a pen paper with proper theory, I will do that. If it is not, like if it is an easy question, straightforward using a map or something, I won't be doing those pen and paper because like it will waste your time. So we'll just go through the question. I actually haven't go through the question yet, so we'll check it. If it is required, I will do that. So find the difference of two arrays is marked as easy. Given two zero index integer nums1 and nums2, find. Result return a list answer of size 2, find. Answer 0 is a list of distinct integer in nums1 which are not present in the nums2. And answer 1 is a list of distinct integer in nums2. Okay, fine. Very simple. So you have given two integer arrays, right? It could be the numbers may be repeating or not, and actually you need to return two lists. First list should be the subtraction, like first list minus 2, and second list should be the second list minus 1. Means whatever the element in the first list should not be there into the second list. That your first answer. A second answer is whatever the elements present in the second list should not be there in the first list. Very simple. You can see the solution. The nums1 is 1 2 3, nums2 is 2 4 6. What they are doing, they are in the first list it's 1 and 3 because 2 is here in the second list, right? So when you subtract first list minus second list, 2 will be skipped because 2 is there. So 1 and 3. Similarly, when we do s2 minus s1, so 2 4 6, 2 is already here. So 4 and 6 is the answer. Pretty simple. There is a trap कि list of distinct integer. Actually, you need to give the distinct integer. तो नंबर कान भी रिपीटिंग, कोई नंबर रिपीट नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है, अगर तुम ये एग्जांपल देखो, देखो यहाँ पे 1 2 3 3, तो 1 और 2 तो यहाँ पर है, तो व्हाट ही हैज रिटर्न ओनली 3 सिंगल टाइम डिस्टिंक्ट रिटर्न करना है. ठीक है, एंड 1 एंड 2, तो 1 एंड 2 इज हियर, तो इट रिटर्न्स द ब्लैंक. वेरी सिंपल. अप्रोच क्या करते हैं कि ये जो नंबर है, ये नंबर्स का अरे इट्स नॉट डिस्टिंक्ट, राइट, दैट यू नो. तो फर्स्ट वी नीड टू कन्वर्ट इट द डिस्टिंक्ट. डिस्टिंक्ट कैसे जावा में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं? ईदर यू कैन यूज द सेट which is itself a unique elements, contains unique elements, or what you can do, you can just iterate it over and check it and forget about the unique elements and just store the unique elements. Fine, we'll convert this into the set. So what we can do, I'll write it. ठीक है, तो first is integer set1. We'll write a function first to get the set, to get the unique. So public set of integer get set. यहाँ you will get the nums array. Fine. What you need to do, you just need to traverse through this nums and then put it in the set. So create a set here. Set equals new. Fine. How to traverse? Simple, like just put the nums and then colon nums. It will give you all the elements. You just need to put set dot add your num. That's all. Return set. So now you will have a unique set that will contain at most one time all the numbers, right? So set1 equals to get set, or will pass nums1. Similarly, you actually needed set2. Equals to nums2. Now you are set. Now you need to create two lists. First list is 1 minus second, second is second minus 1. So list of again integer. First is equals to new. Similarly, list of integer second equals to new. Fine, we have two lists. Now what we need to do, traverse the first set delete all the elements that is in the second and add whatever the remaining add in the first. Similarly, traverse the second, delete all the elements that is present in the first. Very simple. So for first, what we'll do, traverse the set one. Oh, num from where set one. Fine. Set one we are traversing. So if set2 dot contains num, if that is not the case, if what are the element on the first list that you are currently at standing at, if it is not there into the second list, you need to add, otherwise you need to skip. So here it's not there into the second list, so what you will do, first dot add num. Got it? Similarly, second loop for second one, set2, if set 2, if set 1 dot contains num, second dot add num. Fine. At last, what you need to do, you actually need to create a less of integer. Just add this to result dot add first and then result dot add second, return result. That's all. I think this will work. Maybe some compilation issue, but we'll check. So now bad initialization of for loop. You forgot to give the type. This working, okay? We'll check for another cases. Accepted 94% of the users. Fine. This was very simple. What is the time complexity? Time complexity, you have seen we are traversing the list, this and this single time, again traversing this and this single time. So what will be the time complexity? Order of set 1 का size, let's suppose n, plus set 2 size order of m. Simple. Means linear, you can ignore. What is the space complexity? So we are using here 2 extra spaces, right, of equals to the size of the length. So it's again like order of, I mean 2n, that is equivalence to order of n. Fine, cool.